Shoo.
So this is a fish Puppy caught today, and Puppy let me reel in a few, and I want to see how it tastes. So where's the fork?
What is it?
It's a bear-like whitefish. This time it's a bear-like whitefish because it was different. Oh, sorry, a balloon hit me. This time it's different because you could tell. I don't think you can tell right now, but its belly and it was bigger and the head was smaller. I think that's the only way you can tell the difference. There's a fin there. It tastes very similar to the other fish. It still tastes good though. But I think I want.
You have the hot dogs? Okay, go get the hot dogs. Beautiful. That's our gazebo, our lovely campsite. There, now you can see it better. And
we will spend one more night by you.
Johnny's doing some food by the fire. And you can see a little bit of the lake there, sunset.